Yeah, P4, question number 6 is an integration question. Use the substitution method u equal to 3 plus cos theta. So u equal to 3 plus cos theta. Then actually, yeah, we do du by d theta with respect to theta. So 3 become constant, become 0. So cos theta, when you derivate, so we'll get minus sin theta. So we have the theta, so we'll rearrange to du. So when you du equal to minus sin theta d theta. So later we'll substitute here. So I'll make it low sin theta. So from here sin sin theta d theta equal to negative du. Okay, so let it be here. The next part is we'll check out the limits. The limit is given 0 to pi by 2. Yeah, so now we go for limits. Limit is given 0 to pi by 2. So when theta equal to 0, so what you will get, the u become u become 3 plus cos 0, so which is become 3 plus 1, so is 4. Next, when theta equal to pi by 2, so u become 3 plus cos of pi by 2, which is equal to 3 plus cos 90 is going to be 0, which is equal to 3. So we got the limit. Instead of 0 and pi by 2, we can go for the limit 4 and 3. Okay, now we go for the question as integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to pi by 2 and sin 2 theta by root 3 plus cos theta sin 2 theta by square root of 3 plus cos theta d theta. So we need to simplify, and the final answer we have to give a root 3 plus b. See, finally we have to leave a root 3 plus b. A and b are constants. Okay, so here we know the formula, which is sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. So I'll replace it here. Integral 0 to 5 by 2, 2 sin theta cos theta over square root of 3 cos theta d theta. Now I'll substitute in terms of u. So now integral 0 to 5 by 2, now we can change because we are going to substitute as a u. Now u's limits are when 0 is 4 to 3. So here we'll write 4 to 3 the limits, because we are going to change 2, so we are write 2's limits. Okay, then 2 sin theta, 2 from here sin theta d theta, sin theta and d theta is minus du. So this sin theta, and d theta together has become minus du. Already we have did this here, so I am applying that. Next, cos theta equal to u equal to 3 plus cos theta, u equal to 3 plus cos theta. From cos theta equal to u minus 3 equal to cos theta. So here This integral now is become integral, so the down 0 become 4 to 3, and sin theta d theta equal to minus du, and 2 into, instead of cos theta I am writing u minus 3, and sin theta d theta equal to minus du over square root of sorry, this is 3 plus cos theta, by mistake I written 3 cos theta, 3 plus cos theta equal to u. Now I change everything, because when I change to u substitution, the limit has to depend to the u, the limit has to change. Okay, so now here is integral, I can write integral 4 to 3 minus du, I'll bring the minus here, so minus 2 into u minus 3 over square root of u into du. So here is a negative, so when I swap this limits, they become positive. So I'll swap the limit, which is 3 to 4, so it become minus 2 become positive 2. So 2 into u minus 3 over square root of u into du. So next I will write separates the data. So integral 3 to 4 2u minus 3 over, okay, so I'll write 2, I'll bring it out, so because the constant, so u by root u minus 3 by root u into du. Now 2 into integral 3 to 4, here u power 1, and this is I can write like a u power 1 by 2, because square root, so 3 power u power 1 by 2 into du. Next line 2 into integral 3 to 4, this one u power, here already 1 is there, 1 minus 1 by 2, and minus 3 into u power negative 1 by 2 du. Next 2 into integral 3 to 4, 1 minus 1 by 2 is u power 1 by 2 minus 3 into u power negative 1 by 2 into du. Now I'll go for differentiate. So differentiate with respect to, so differentiate with respect to u. So 2 into, so it become u power 1 by 2, so u power 1 by 2 plus 1, which is 3 by 2 over 3 by 2. So next minus 3 into u power minus 1 by 2 plus 1, which is going to be 1 by 2 over 1 by 2 of the limit is 3 to 4. The next step 2 into just simplify, so this becomes 3 by 2, when it's go up as a reciprocal, which is 2 by 3 of u power 3 by 2 minus this one, when it will go reciprocal, because 3 times 2 minus 6 u power 1 by 2, the limit is 3 to 4. The next I'll bring the 2 inside, so 2 times 2, which is 4 by 3 u power 3 by 2 minus 2 times 6, which is 12 u power 1 by 2, so the limit is going to be 3 to 4. Now I'll apply the limit. First we need to go for upper limit. We have to substitute 4 inside, so 4 by 3 into, instead of u we have to put 4 of 3 by 2 minus 12 into 4 of 1 by 2. So upper limit minus, we have to put the lower limit now, so 4 by 3 power 3 by 2 minus 12 into 3 power 1 by 2. So 4 by 3 of 4 power 3 by 2. So square root of 4 is 2. 2 cube is 8 minus 12 into 2, which is 24, minus here 4 by 3 into square root of 3, so which is 3 power 3 into or root 3. Eight into root 3, which is times 3 root 3 minus 12 into root 3. So equal to, so here 32 by 3 minus 24 and minus here 3 got cancelled, so 4 root 3 minus 12 root 3. So which is, when you simplify here, else make a same denominator, so we'll get 32 minus 72 by 3, so which is minus 40 over 3, and here minus 4 root 3 and minus 8, so minus 8 root 3. So it become minus 40 by 3 plus 8 root 3. So that's the final answer for us, which is, so I'll write 8 root 3 minus 40 by 3. That's our final answer of this. So we need to write them on the form of a root 3 plus b. So we got the same thing, 8 root 3 minus 40 by 3. So a and b are constants. So that's the answer for this.